Pack of 300 standard baking cups, 2-inch diameter. Brightly colored fluted paper cups with a fun design. Quick, colorful and festive way to dress up your cupcakes and muffins. Also great for holding candies, nuts and other party snacks. Perfect for your theme party. These bold and exciting baking cups will make your treats the center of attention. The fun design is perfect for any occasion and great for themed celebrations. Use these colorful fluted paper baking cups for lining cavities of standard muffin pans, making festive cupcakes, presenting party snacks and more. Standard size, 2-inch diameter. Pack of 300. Top reviews from the United States. Super sturdy. It nearly run out of the thin paper baking cups I got for $1 at Walmart. They didn't fit properly in the muffin tin and were a pain to try to fill. I guess you get what you pay for. I spent a little more money and ordered these from Amazon, and am delighted with them. They fit the tin exactly and stay where I place them instead of springing back out. They come in lots of cool patterns and colors too. Highly recommended.